Wild things can happen while driving a vehicle. Accidents, natural phenomena, animal sightings or collisions, and a range of entertaining moments. Capturing those seconds on video with a dash cam, aka dashboard camera, provides evidence during unplanned events. There are many dash cams to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best dash cams from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Scosche NEXS Dash Cams. The Scosche NEXS provides solid protection without the tough price. Easy installation, parking mode, GPS, night vision, and Wi-Fi connectivity help this dash cam punch above its weight. Behind the lens is a 1080p HD camera powered with a Sony Starvis sensor. For standard HD footage, it's surprisingly good even at night. Installation was a breeze. This Scosche provided an installation kit, which is unique. The bundle was complete with windshield cleaning wipes, zip ties, corresponding sticky mounts, a trim tool, and wire ties. There's also a windshield mount that doubles as a cable router. The mount only offers vertical pivoting, so make sure the position is correct along the horizontal plane before you plant the camera. The Nexar app doesn't dish up the most technicalities but functions pretty well. You can use the app to view and play footage. You can check out a live map of where your vehicle is parked. The recordings also auto-sync to the cloud. Number 2. Vantrue N4 Dash Cams. The Vantrue N4 dash cams give your car the ultimate protection with that trifecta front, rear, and interior. The kit includes a front-facing 4K camera with a 155-degree field of view. There's a secondary interior HD camera with a 165-degree scope. The third optional camera is HD, rear-mounted, and offers a 160-degree view. The system can record all 3 points of view into a single video clip at 30 FPS. Furthermore, these cameras are powered by a Sony Starvis night sensor, offering exceptional night shots inside and outside the vehicle. The camera is suited up with wide dynamic range technology too, which automatically improves the image quality if high contrast lighting is present. If you're solely using the front-facing mode and not the rear camera, the device records up to 4K at 30 FPS. When all 3 cameras are recording, the front camera drops to 1440p. The interior pointed cabin camera features 4 infrared LED lights, which work in low light conditions. Number 3. Insta Dash Cams. The Insta360 X3 is an action camera. So for those who want an action camera for filming outdoor pursuits, you might not need an entirely different camera to capture your commutes. The X3 has a dash cam mode that records video loops every few minutes and will automatically delete the old video if the save button isn't pressed. The first thing we noticed when mounting the X3 to our dash is that the camera and suction cup mount are very bulky. They take up the most amount of windshield space out of the cameras we tested. That said, the extra girth means there's a generous touchscreen. There's also a 5.7K 360-degree camera, which is the highest quality camera we tested. You can opt to record only front mode or turn on the 360-degree mode to record everything. The action can be captured no matter what side of the camera it happens on. Number 4. Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cams. Given the small scale size, the Garmin Mini 2 easily fits on your windshield without taking up excess space. This tiny camera packs a punch with a full HD 1080p camera delivering a 140-degree field of view. Plus, the equipment is designed to handle strong elements like direct sunlight and hot temps. You can set it and forget it, literally. This Garmin is truly miniature. The pettiness is partially due to the absence of a screen, and the device only has 2 buttons. The recorder is mostly controlled via smartphone with the Garmin Drive app, but the Mini 2 also utilizes the same Garmin voice control system we loved in its big brother, the 67W. Through the app, you can use live view monitoring to see your dash cam's perspective in real time, even remotely. You can look back at the footage. It's also possible to upload the data automatically to Garmin's cloud storage via a paid subscription. Number 5. Nextbase Dash Cams. If you're looking for the ultimate protection for your rig, look no further than the Nextbase 622GW. This top-of-the-line dash cam is jam-packed with qualities, including a top-tier 4K camera. The kit lands as a top choice in our book. The standout details of the 622GW lie in the camera technology. This design boasts a 4K and 30 FPS recording power. Even more, this lens offers enhanced color range and contrast, built-in image stabilization, and a lens polarizer. The camera can also shoot in 2 other stellar settings, 60 FPS and 2x slow motion at 1440p. Or it can shoot at 120 FPS in 5x slow motion at 1080p standard HD. The relatively large 3-inch HD touchscreen plays back the footage in real time. That way, you can scope exactly what your camera sees. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.